ArchieLuxury reporting from the streets of Brisbane. And I gotta tell you, how is it today? It's nice and sunny. I want this rain to go away. It's been so wet. Brisbane has been absolutely drenched. And I think the thing is, we could just stop this rain for a bit. That'd be fantastic. Very sunny. It's normally the sunshine state. This is where we have all the sunshine. And just going past City Hall here. And I gotta tell you, it's nice and sunny today. Nice, warm, sunny day. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's a nice kind of day. So yeah, this is Brisbane. This is Brisbane. So it's all very cool. It's all very cool. That's how it goes here. Look at this. Beautiful day in Brisbane. Look at this. This is. You know, I sometimes coming from Brisbane, this city gives me the shits because I've worked here. But if you're a tourist, you come here. Yeah, it's nice and friendly. It's sunny, clean air. It's not really congested. Not really crowds and shit like that. It's very cool. Very cool. So yeah, it's looking great. Look at this. What are they selling? Valentine's Day today. Valentine's Day. See, I like to get wholesale. I want wholesale. Single stem rose box, $35. Jesus Christ. $15 for a fucking rose. My God. Expensive. Let's have a look here. Here we are. Look at this city. It's nice and sunny today. You know, it's got an interesting facade here. It's not all brand new like Singapore. It's different. Very cool. Brisbane, see, I've lived here and I've had jobs. I had to work in the city. So to me, I find it kind of gives me the shits. But to other people who are tourists here, they'd say, oh yeah, it's a quaint little town. It's this and it's that. They got good memories, fun memories. Whereas I've lived in the city and it kind of shits me, you know. I suppose that's just how life is. It's kind of, when you look at these days here, beautiful city, just not crazy cars. Got a beautiful mall, the mall. It's kind of cool. It is kind of cool. And look at this. It's just beautiful. It's a nice day here. Just a nice day. Everything's cool. It's nice. Yeah, it is cool. It's very cool. Very cool indeed. I want to introduce a new company. This is Fame City Property Solutions. That's correct. They're located in Northeast Ohio. And Fame City Property Solutions replaces non-efficient lights with energy-saving LED lighting. Now, I got to tell you, the guys at Fame City, they will install energy-saving LED lights at office buildings, commercial warehouses, home improvement stores, grocery stores, schools, parking lots, and other residential homes. Now, you can email these guys at famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com. That's all one word there. famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com. Okay guys, after a couple of minutes it's ready to be served. Nice big bowl, but I like to strain a bit because the watery stuff has got a lot of salt and other stuff, probably MSG. You know these Asians, they love that MSG shit, which really isn't too good for the body. We want to keep a little bit of water because it is a bit of a soup, but not too much water. So there we go, serve it all in there. Voila, presto, it's all ready to serve. Serve and go. I like to there we go, serve and go. Look at that guys. Give it a bit of a rinse. Give it a rinse on the tap. And then we don't have to do much cleaning. Look at that. How is that, guys? hopefully get rid of the spare tire removal service. Coronavirus spare tire removal service. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury, just enjoying a lunch. Look at this here, Corona Asian food. It's lovely. Look at this, noodle. Delicious. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury channel. What's going on? Coronavirus special. That's correct, guys. I'm in Australia. I'm in Brisbane. I'm in the suburb of Rockley. And it's pissing down. And guys, I've just come down to my local pharmacy. And you know something? Guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? Look at this here. Look at the window. Look at that there. We are currently out of stock of all face masks. All face masks. What does that mean? What does that mean? It means the coronavirus has gone crazy. That's what it means, man. We're out of stock. We're out of stock. We are out of stock. We're out of stock, fuckers. That's what's happening. We are out of stock. That means you got the Chinese dragoons. The dragoons have bought all the stock. We got no stock left. We got absolutely no stock. We're completely sold out. This is what's happening, guys. I'm telling you not. I'm not trying to fuck around with you. This is it. This is it. The coronavirus is going to wipe out Asia. It's going to be fucked. It's all over, Red Rover, fuckers. It's over. It's over. This is not something to joke and laugh about. This is it. It's very serious. Guys, this is not a joke. Coronavirus is going to attack the world. It's going to attack. Very, very contagious. They're sold out of masks. Sold out of masks. I want to promote KK Design, which is a San Diego-based interior designer who specializes in full-service residential and boutique-style commercial spaces from start to finish. Reach her and check out her work at www.katek.design. Kate K all the way.